here.
I'm going to play an instrument. The trombone. Hopefully I won't hurt you guys.
It's Nick, Vinny, and me. Oh, jeez.
First,
Oh, spit doesn't
okay, here we go.
Ready?
Throw my mouthpiece. Okay, let's see it on my show. Let's get rid of this. Bye.